Buenas tardes, compañeros y tutor. Voy a representarles mi representación en inglés. What is your full name? My name is José Freddy Garcia. How old are you? I'm 26 years old. Where are you from? I am from Tumaco. Where is your live? In the neighborhood Villalola. What is your home? I am Polly. What is your hobby? And listen music. With whom do you like? I love you look for my work. Where is you studying? I study in sociology. What is your favorite food? Chicken rice. What is your favorite TV de serie? My favorite de serie is The Game. What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? Fútbol. Espero les haya gustado y vuelvo nuevamente, les digo, sea de su agrado. Esta es mi representación en inglés.